So right now it looks like we're heading to Cottonwood Heights. We're gonna go meet one of our customers. Kind of looks like he may have 2 ACs, so see how we can help him and get him taken care of. Hey, how you doing?
I'm Dave.
Cody.
But do one thing for me. Will you just pull your car into the driveway?
Sure.
Because they're going to bring a dumpster on the street sometime today. And
So it usually takes me about an hour to an hour and a half to do the whole evaluation.
Okay.
Then I'm just gonna make sure that everything's working the way it should. All right, I'll get it all checked out and then I'll report back to you. We're just doing a tune-up and everything's good, and we just wanna see if there's anything we can do to make it run even better. Pretty much tells us everything going on with the entire system, so including the airflow and our refrigerant side. There was one recommendation I had. So outside it helps a lot if we hose down that unit. So yeah, this will really help it a lot. Then the motors don't have to work as hard. But I do this once a year, every, spring, before running it a lot, and it's just gonna help it last longer and lower your bill.
let me try.
This is the gist of it.
All
All
right.
right.
Well, thanks.
Yep, take care.
Enjoy the rest of your
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Hey, my name is Cody. So I understand you have to leave for work, so I'll try to get it done as fast as possible. So are we doing the AC tune-ups here? But just the furnace? There's older units like this, it's pretty important to make sure this heat exchanger's not cracked.
Good, thank you.
So I wiped it all down in there for you. It looks great. So I'll write you some options real quick. Hayden wrote a couple options for you to get the coil cleaned and to build you a filter access. Yep, all right.
Thanks a lot.
Have a great day, okay? So that was kind of a little bit of a different call. We had to kind of hurry because she had to be to work really soon. So didn't get to talk to her as much as I wanted to, but we left her some good options and I'm pretty sure she'll be calling us back pretty soon. So we're heading to Salt Lake. We're gonna go visit with Steve, and he's a new CAP member. So don't believe we have any history of checking out his AC. So we'll just go see what we can do to keep him happy. Hi.
Attack dogs.
Awesome. I love dogs. My name's Cody.
Hi, I'm Carolyn.
Generally, it usually takes me about an hour to an hour and a half to do this whole evaluation. Then I'm just going to make sure everything's working the way it should, according to the manufacturer's specifications. And I'm going to make sure to see if there's any way that I can help make it run even better, more efficient. looks okay in here. Check the amp draw. Looks like it's 75. You know, I have like terrible handwriting, so I like to print out my options and print out a little report on the refrigerant since while I'm at it. So, looks pretty good. All right, so I got the evaluation pretty much done.
Okay.
So the hard start assist is something that you can usually carry over to a new unit anyway, as long as it's still testing good. There's also a surge protector, which comes with $7,500 liability coverage for the condenser outside, but Steve and Carolyn chose option number 1, which was an electronic air cleaner and surge protection and also a hard start. So we're gonna upgrade this old electronic air cleaner. Yeah, that's basically all we're doing. $27. Good. Yep. So that'll still be protecting and doing its job even when you come out and disconnect this. These are 3 extra sets, so that should last a couple years. And we'll just take care of it when we come.
Okay. Have a good one.
You too. See ya.
We'll see you again. Thank you.
Yep. I don't think they could be happier, right? Seem pretty happy. So it was a really great day. I feel like everything went as well as it could have. Helped educate the customers and made them pretty happy. It was great seeing their reaction to the work that I did today. And 3 beautiful girls waiting at home for me. My wife and 2 daughters. So. Hi girls. Hi. I missed you all. Give me a hug. Oh. Did you guys have a great day?
Yeah.
Do you want to say hi to everyone at our work? Hi.
Hi.
You look great.
Hey.
So, this is Kyla and Katie and Kim, my beautiful family. Look, say hi. He's got a camera and you're going to be on TV. So.
Hi.